Are you excited to come to Cumorah Academy, but you need to make some extra money? Perhaps you already have a job that you do online or remotely? If this is the case, Cumorah Academy's work-focused track is perfect for you. There are a number of on-campus jobs available ranging from tutoring to photography, marketing or cleaning, and maintenance if you're looking for a job on campus. Do you already work remotely and desire to engage in personal development coursework while you do it? Various professions like marketers, graphic designers, and recruiters have come to Cumorah for an enriching experience while they build their resume. Study in the morning and work in the afternoon or evening. This way you get to work and study while enjoying the campus life and fun activities at Cumorah Academy. In addition to your focus area, all students will receive a leadership and personal development certification as you participate in powerful life skill classes like public speaking, self-reliance, family relations, and other soft skills. In the public speaking classes, you'll learn how to structure a presentation and how to use storytelling, visual materials, and vocal emphasis to create compelling and impactful presentations. Unique to Cumorah Academy, you'll learn skills that prepare you for all aspects of a successful, happy life, including workshops that prepare you to successfully manage your personal finances. The family relations class will help you know how to have a healthy marriage and family life. Your soft skills class will cover areas like time management, praise versus criticism, self-motivation, problem solving, and decision-making. Each semester also features over a dozen successful mentors from various professions who will pass on their leadership wisdom in engaging leadership classes. Yet, it's not all work and no play. Each semester, students embark on sightseeing trips, visit Prague, attend dancing, shoot clay pigeons, archery, ATV rides, biking, karaoke, and more. Don't forget to visit the hot tub and sauna while you're here as well. At Cumorah, we believe in empowering our students to lead a well-rounded life. This includes your inner world, sense of adventure, family, and your professional goals. Let's grow together. Enroll today.